How you guys doing? Memphis Smart Home Pro here with another quick video. Sunday, usually don't install on Sundays, but I had to make a special exception for this customer to get a couple things done for him. As you see, we got another doorbell camera here, one of our most popular features, and a door lock. This is going to be a really short video. I just want to let you guys see this door lock. Three different things you can do with this door lock. You have your combination lock, you got your key, lock and unlock, and then you can also lock and unlock this thing with your phone. So right now, just lock it with the key, put in my code, there we go, lock it back, it's locked, no key needed. Really short, quick door lock video. Thank you guys for watching. Memphis Smart Home Pro.